Hello and welcome to another update video about the gold market, gold price. I sometimes get the question why the price that I look at here is slightly different to the spot market price. That just has to do with the fact that I'm looking at the gold futures because they can be traded more easily and the price differs always a little bit. It doesn't really change the overall direction, but the price differs a little bit to the gold spot price. So at the moment, the way this is looking is that we are going to come down lower still. Yeah, we talked about that in the previous videos. After we finished the overall impulse up here in a wave one, that is how it's currently looking like, that this was a 5-wave move up, an impulsive wave from the low here that was exactly reached at 1680, which was spot on. That was one of the levels in this larger area. So originally back in January, I expected the price to get into this region, and then in the last few months I gave you the 1680 level as one of the two targets in this larger green area. When we hit it, then we had a massive impulsive rally to the upside. For the gold market, there is quite a lot. I mean, in percent it's not super massive, but it's like 8.7% in what period was that? 3 weeks, 4 weeks? Yeah, 3 weeks. That is quite a lot for gold. And that was, in my opinion, impulsive, and we're now coming down in a corrective move. We won't know if this really was the low until we complete this wave 2. Because if we come down impulsively now, then it indicates that we are going to make another lower low and would then dip once more into this larger reversal area. I'm just widening this a little bit to make sure that you understand that without a problem we can get into this area again. I gave the bullish scenario after we break out of this descending trend line a 60% probability. So there is still a 40% probability for making a lower low. You need to understand that. And that is a key level here to watch. Yeah, that if we go lower, that we should stay in this green area. Make that another, let me make this one another color, maybe yellow. Yeah, so we can distinguish them. So the yellow area is more the long-term reversal area that goes down all the way to $1,605. And to be fair, I can make that now smaller because shrinking that a little bit keeps it a little bit more clear on the chart, because this is the level. If we drop below that $1,679 level, we will come into this area again, and then another key level that we look out for here is the $1,637 level. If we don't find support at 1680, it should be this one, but really anywhere in this area we have to expect that we will see then the reversal, should we really come down once more. At the moment, because I'm still carefully bullish, at the moment we can expect that this here was the wave 1. We are now in the wave 2, possibly here an A, B wave, and the C, or, and that's the other possibility, that all of this is still part of a wave A. We will then see the B rally and come down in a C. But at some point now, we should really finish this off. And we've now come into the area again, currently still making a higher low, but the way this is looking like, this looks, I mean, we can count this here, what happened here, impulsive. So for now, it could be that this was already, you know, we came into this area, we've moved out in a wave 1, yeah, and we're now coming down in a wave 2. But as soon as we go below 1740, I think we're going to come down lower to 1734 and possibly even 1710. But if we go below this level, yeah, below the $1,710 level, that's the 78.6% fib level, then it seriously questions the bullish scenario. I mean, gold can also come down a bit lower. The very last resort for the bulls here would be the 1696 level, the 88.7% fib level. But again, anywhere in here we would expect it to move higher. If we go below 1710 though, I think that's it for the bullish scenario, and we will see prices below 1679. Yeah. Primarily though, again, I still expect us to move out of this range, and we would then move up in a wave 3 that should take us above 1824. And that's pretty much it. So primary expectation would be that we go maybe a little bit lower here, and then at some point reverse. And when we come out of this level again, this would be a good signal that the low here was in for the wave 2. But always keep in mind, it can max out the entire green area. And that's pretty much where we are with gold at the moment, yeah? So hopefully you liked the update about gold. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.